Hey everybody, I'm Rafael with the Blue Water Experience, and welcome to our very first episode of On Location, a video series we're putting together where we shine the spotlight on one of our spectacular blue water assets and tell you why we think it's so special. Today I'm on location Oceanfront here at 45th Street, a short walk away from the convention center and just steps away from everybody's favorite party spot, Secrets, Jamaica, USA. This Midtown location is the perfect base camp for everything you want to do here in Ocean City. The entire Blue Water team is stoked to present the SeaLoft project. We're currently undergoing a $4 million renovation that is going to completely transform this into a chic and stylish retro surf themed hotel, perfectly complementing its oceanfront location. Now, we're not ready to take the cover off this baby just yet, but I'm super excited to share with you the centerpiece of the design of this new hotel. And that's this amazing mural by artist Hamilton Glass. The centerpiece of this amazing new SeaLoft project is this gorgeous mural behind me, designed and currently being installed by artist Hamilton Glass. I'm here with Hamilton today to learn a little bit more about the inspiration and the process of putting together a beautiful piece of artwork like this. Hey Hamilton, how you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good, man. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for taking on this beautiful project.
Oh, no problem.
Tell me, what was your inspiration for this SeaLoft design?
Honestly, when I heard I was going to be painting here and coming up with the design for this, really I wanted to embody the spirit of vintage surf with the old bug.
That's awesome. I'm local, I'm a surfer. I love everything about surf culture, largely inspiring the design of this project. So I can't tell you how excited I was when I saw the first drafts of this. And to see it come to life, the way it's coming to life right now, man, it just warms my heart. So thank you so much for taking this on, I appreciate it. So can we expect you to come back and stay with us here at the SeaLoft this summer?
Oh, absolutely. The community is great, the weather is great, and everything just looks beautiful.
Not too bad for a spring day, right? Good day to work outside.
Yes.
Hamilton, thanks so much for taking on this project. If people want to learn more about you and other projects that you've done, where can they hear more?
Yeah, absolutely. So my website is whosham.com, whosham.com, and my Instagram tag is hamglass, HAMGLASS.
Awesome, Hamilton. Well, thank you so much. Really appreciate it and can't wait to see the finished product. And if you want to see the finished product, you better start booking your room now. This boutique hotel is only 60 rooms, so it's booking up super fast for the summer. Now, we've already shared with you that if you want to live like a local this summer, that this location is simply unbeatable. But if you want to know why we really love this hotel, follow me. I want to thank you for joining us on our very first Blue Water Experience on location. It was my pleasure to share with you this awesome property that's coming to life. You can get more information on our website, SeaLoftOceanfrontHotel.com, or you can find us on Instagram, @SeaLoftOC. This property is set to open May 23rd, so make sure you book early. Keep an eye out for our next episode of Blue Water Experience on location. Now I'm going to enjoy this view a little while longer before I head back to the office.